In this video, we are going to address the backward entry. It's a variation of Baddha Konasana. We are going to learn where to put the belt. Make sure that you keep pressing the belt towards your hip. And in FlyHighYoga, it's very important that we keep the belt in the desired position, because if the belt moves 1 centi, it will change the whole pose. So make sure that the belt remains on the pelvis and follow the instructions thoroughly in order to perform and get the most of this pose, and also to bring someone with safety, getting also the benefits. Namaste. For the backward entry, a variation of Baddha Konasana, we are going to place the belt on the sacrum. Now, once you place the belt on the sacrum, we press with the heel of the hands. You see how my hands are here? I'm pressing with the heel of the hands towards my hip. And I keep pressing all the time as I bend the knees, lean back, open the legs, feet in front. Stop swinging. And allow the body to elongate the spine. There are plenty of variations here. This pose is just a stepping stone. Now, to go out of a pose, you hold the belt, extend the legs back, looking at the toes, so you are engaging muscle. Then the weight of your legs brings you out of a pose. Now I'm going to show you how to bring someone in and out of a pose. So, Julia, please stand in front of the belt and press the belt towards the hip. Now, if you are helping someone to enter this pose, you have to be in front, making sure that the person is pressing with the belt towards the hips and the belt is on the sacrum. You don't want the belt to move to the waist. That hurts. Now, lightly bend the knees, lean back. I'm pushing her back. Make sure that she opens the legs and feet in front. Beautiful. If you are in front, if she doesn't open the legs, you are going to receive a kick. To go out of a belt, hold the belt in between the knees, Julia. Open the legs. Then you hold one ankle only, and then extend both legs back. Look at the toes. You have to make sure that the person is looking at the toes. I'm just holding here the ankle. I'm not all over the place with any kind of harassment to the person. Just holding the ankle, and now the weight of the legs is bringing her down. Beautiful. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this pose. Helping someone entering and coming out is a little bit more challenging than what you think. Some people may panic reaching back. So practice with as many different people as you can, and you will see how everybody reacts differently. Hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.